In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the powerful features and capabilities of Vagaro, a comprehensive management software designed specifically for salon and spa owners. If you're a small to mid-sized business owner in the beauty industry looking for an all-inclusive platform at a great price, then you'll want to stay tuned. First, let's talk about the extensive feature set that Vagaro offers. For just around $30 a month per location, you have access to a wealth of tools ranging from appointment scheduling and client management to marketing, inventory, point of sale systems, payroll, and reporting. Essentially, it packs everything you need to manage your business into one platform, making it a remarkably cost-effective solution for service-based businesses. The platform's interface has been designed with ease of use in mind. Users often praise its clean and easy to navigate design. To top it off, Vagaro offers an abundance of educational resources, including tutorials and live sessions, not to mention 24/7 customer support. New users have reported positive experiences when it comes to onboarding, particularly through live chat and workshops, so you can feel confident knowing that help is always at your fingertips. An integral part of any business today is having a strong online presence, and Vagaro excels in this area. The platform allows for seamless online bookings through embeddable widgets on your website, Facebook, or even Vagaro's marketplace, eliminating the frustration of redirecting clients to different websites. This ease of access can significantly enhance your client's experience as well as boost your business's visibility. Another standout feature is Vagaro's integrated point of sale system and payment options. With dedicated hardware solutions such as PayPro and PayPro Mini, you're equipped to handle tap to pay, gift cards, and even implement no-show fees, adding a layer of flexibility and professionalism at checkout. When it comes to marketing and automation, Vagaro really shines. You have the ability to automate everything from client reminders to launching email and SMS campaigns. Plus, you can set up packages and memberships, helping you save time while ensuring you stay connected with your clients. Despite its many strengths, there are a few areas where Vagaro could improve. Some users find the interface a bit slow or overwhelming due to the sheer number of features available, especially if you're a newcomer. Moreover, the requirement for your clients to create a Vagaro account to book appointments can be a minor inconvenience. Additionally, some users report experiencing glitches with the mobile apps and challenges in booking smoothness. To wrap things up, if you are in the market for a powerful, unified platform that provides scalability and affordability, Vagaro is certainly worth considering. However, bear in mind there may be a slight learning curve to fully harness its capabilities. For creative professionals and small to mid-sized salons, Vagaro is a top-notch option that balances feature richness with a user-friendly experience.